Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most magical time of the year. I hope you're all feeling the festive spirit because we're about to kick off the Christmas Carnival giveaway for 2023. We are absolutely thrilled to be your host for this spectacular event. Thanks to AOMEI for providing us with this opportunity. Introducing the ultimate software bundle that covers all your essential needs. AOMEI Backupper ensures seamless and secure data backup, while AnyViewer offers a versatile platform for remote access. FoneTool provides a communication hub for all your needs, and Partition Assistant guarantees efficient disk management. MyRecover Pro safeguards your files with powerful recovery features, and Sticky Password Premium ensures top-notch password security, all 100% free. Elevate your digital experience with this comprehensive suite of tools today. Experience peak performance with AOMEI WiseCare 365 Pro, Ashampoo WinOptimizer, and Auslogics Windows Slimmer, all absolutely free. Optimize your system, clean up clutter, and boost speed effortlessly. Don't miss out on this limited-time offer to elevate your PC's performance for free. Safeguard your system with Glarysoft's advanced malware detection, erase sensitive data seamlessly with DoYourData, and bid farewell to unwanted programs with Ashampoo UnInstaller. Act now and experience the power of these premium tools without breaking the bank, 100% free for a limited period. Elevate your screen recording with RecMaster Pro, capturing every moment in crystal clear detail. Transform your videos effortlessly with WinX HD Video Converter, ensuring compatibility across all devices. Plus, enhance your photos to perfection with Ashampoo Photo Optimizer 9. Get these premium tools absolutely free and take your multimedia creativity to new heights. Unlock unparalleled flexibility and efficiency as you effortlessly navigate multiple cloud environments, optimizing performance and minimizing downtime. With MultCloud, enjoy the freedom to choose and manage various cloud providers seamlessly. Elevate your data security with CBackup, ensuring peace of mind and reliability in every backup. Embrace the future of cloud solutions with our transformative technologies. All this software is offered 100% for free by AOMEI for a short period of time. Check the link in the video description and get all your downloads today. The offer ends on December 31st, 2023. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.